tractor. Is it a grader? 1989 Dodge. This thing is done so tastefully. So quite some time ago, I got a chance to do work on this truck. I did some touch-ups and detail, the wiring. This thing turned out just awesome. It is such a cool truck. Sounds cool. Looks great. Looks awesome. Looks great. Wouldn't you like to get into this and take it for a run? It's a little nicer than the daily driver, but I would definitely daily drive this. Extremely nice, clean. Very nice truck. Cool seats. I got to work on this truck quite some time ago. It is a old Cummins. It's in beautiful shape, doesn't get hardly any miles put on it. Brought it in for me to check on a couple things, and yeah, it is just beautiful. Well, first Gen Cummins in this. Pretty. Looks really good. Runs good too. Of course, this truck is done beautifully. It is not intended totally for a absolute show truck. It is meant to be driven, and so I don't know, it turned out extremely well. I got to do a bunch of detail work on it. Neaten up some of the wiring. It's still the original harness in the truck, but it needed a little bit of love. I did air conditioning work on it, got the AC working, which it blows very cool. I did some paint and detail work. You know, and there were various other things. Again, this was done quite some time ago. I love how it turned out. This old first gen was transformed into a piece of art. It really took the customer's vision, his attention to detail, the body shop, the diesel guy, and the interior guy and myself to get this all together. But it just turned out great. I'm really impressed. Let me know, is this something that you would drive around every day? For me, it's pretty nice. I would have it as a going to town truck, that's for sure. So thank you for watching, and let me know in the comments what you think. Please share, like, and subscribe.